Let's start! In a large pan over medium-high heat, prepare to fry your vegetables. Start with your carrots and potatoes until they're golden brown. Probably take about 1 or 2 minutes. Using the same pan, put on your butter and saute your onions and garlic. Put on the chicken and stir it slowly. Dash in your bay leaf and your basil and simmer for about 5 minutes. Once you see it boil, dash in your mushrooms and add your cooked vegetables and stir slowly. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add on your cheese sausages, your red bell pepper, and the cheddar cheese. Let it melt for about 2 minutes. Next is your evaporated milk. Pour it on your pan in a circular motion so it gets distributed evenly, and let it boil for about 2 minutes on a low fire. Slowly whisk your all-purpose cream so that you'll have a smooth texture before you pour it on a circular motion on your pan. Oops, someone's taking a picture at the back. It is important that you do not overcook your all-purpose cream because it will have an impact to its taste. So probably just stir it for about 1 minute. Then you may turn off your fire. Then pour in your Parmesan cheese and just let it melt for about 10 seconds. Then follow it up with your celeries. And yay, we're done! It's creation with a twist. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like and the notification bell. Stay safe, be healthy and strong. This is Foodie4jaz, your kitchen alliance. Take care!